Merry Christmas, kids! On this fine Christmas morning, do you want to start by eating breakfast?
So you want to do chores first?
Ooh, I bet you want to open presents.
Let's start with the smallest and go to the biggest.
Everyone gets their very own face masks.
These ones are the best. They still maintain their complete lack of ability to keep viruses out.
Which we have all come to expect from a good face mask.
And at the same time helps promote bacteria growth to re-enter the respiratory system while creating a natural petri dish of bacteria around your mouth and nose.
Let's see what we have next. Ah, yes. Here you all go.
Gift cards for a year subscription to Disney Plus.
And I got a discount because this deal only plays the new Star Wars movies. And the documentaries. Gotta stay well informed. You wouldn't want to look stupid to the rest of society, would you?
Okay, this is a good one. It's the newest version of a classic game, Barrel of Monkeypox.
This one is extra challenging because all the monkeys are weak links. Okay, how about... Oh, you're all going to love this. A bulletproof vest. Because your mother and I totally believe the news and every school shooting that has ever happened. We want to show we love and care for you by making sure you are all safe at school.
I mean, we could just take you all out of the war zone, but your father and I now work from home.
While catching up on the newest Yellowstone.
Now, this one isn't a big present, but it's big in its importance.
Booster shots. Aw, don't be like that. This booster comes with updated vaccine passes.
It even comes with a music track to get you all in the booster mood.
Booster, booster, be a booster. Don't be grouchy like a rooster.
Well, enough of that. What's next? The best present of all.
This one is very special. It's the gift that keeps on giving.
Go ahead, open them up.
You know all the things you kids put on your Christmas list?
Now, you don't get to have them, you get to make them with the other little boys and girls, all in the exotic land of the People's Republic of China.
What could be more exciting than experiencing this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity on how to assemble your favorite toys and games? It's like a crafts workshop with a little more sweating. Some might even say it's a sweatshop.
Why do you all sound so disappointed? Did Santa not give you what you wanted for Christmas?
Well, you just have to take it up with him.
Was that sleigh bells I just heard?
Who could that be? Come in. It's Santa Claus!
Ho ho ho's, bitches and hoes, only when I hook up with you, I'm saying.
Sounds like Santa's been having a little too much Christmas cheer.
Well, shut up, Jonah. I may have fallen off the one-horse open sleigh, but at least this Santa Claus is gonna keep it real. Keeping it real, always.
Kids, I don't think Santa is going to be able to stay any longer.
Santa? This ain't no Santa Claus. I'm your Uncle Joshua. I'm here to tell you the real story of Santa Claus. Santa ain't even real. Santa ain't real. Oh yeah. Santa was just made up to keep you little shits in line. So if you're naughty, you get coal, and if you're nice, you get presents. And yet, surprise, surprise, every one of you little shitheads gets presents every year. Anyway, it doesn't even matter. The best part is, you get to find out that your parents are all liars. No! Santa ain't real, so why should you believe anything they tell you?
Okay, Santa, I think it's time to leave.
Yeah, you see, kids? You see? This is what I'm talking about. He's lying right to your face right now. I told you I'm your Uncle Joshua. I'm Uncle I'm Uncle Josh.
Damn it, Santa, you broke all the booster shots.
It's a Christmas miracle.